1.9 million views 4 months ago, 300,000 views 5 months ago, 290,000 views 5 months ago, 271,000 views 5 months ago. This is honestly not normal. When you see numbers like these, you immediately realize this account is not average at all. It consistently pulls in massive views, something most people only dream of achieving with a single viral video, yet this creator does it repeatedly and consistently. What makes this even more interesting is that the content itself is very simple. No high-budget setup, no complicated visuals, nothing overly technical. Simple, raw, honest. All that is required is to try and make a decision to create something simple and easy. Stay connected. The channel earns between $2,000 and $7,000 per month, which clearly shows that this kind of simple content can turn into a real and sustainable source of income. The account is called Time for Growth, and it has around 79.8 thousand subscribers. Even though the subscriber count isn't extremely high compared to the views, it proves that the content reaches far beyond its subscriber base and continues to get pushed to new audiences. This type of content is something anyone can create if they're willing to try. The process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. You don't need special skills, years of experience, or professional training. All it takes is understanding the idea, following a simple structure, and taking action instead of overthinking. We're going to make this using a 100% free method that isn't complicated or overwhelming. Everything is designed to help you start quickly and stay consistent. When you look at how their videos are structured, you'll notice a clear pattern. Short, focused ideas, simple visuals, clear messages, no advanced editing skills required, and definitely no complex coding that causes people to quit halfway. It's practical, repeatable, and easy to learn. That's why learning how to turn a simple idea into big results using an easy, time-efficient system really matters, especially if you want to grow without burning out or wasting time. Before we jump into the steps, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the simple strategies and lessons I'll be sharing. Step 1. You go to ChatGPT, and there you create the image prompts. These prompts consist of 6 connected images, all focused on one young boy who is a student. The story begins in the morning when the boy wakes up from sleep, then continues as he gets ready, puts on his clothes, and prepares his school bag. After that, the images show him walking to school along a calm and quiet street. The story continues with the boy sitting in his classroom, learning and spending time at school, then reading in the library in a peaceful environment. Finally, the last image shows the boy walking back home, tired but calm, completing his school day. On the other side, you create the voiceover prompt. This is one continuous narration voice that tells the story of all the stages the young student goes through during the day. The voiceover starts in the morning, describing his waking up, getting ready, going to school, being in class, reading in the library, and ends with his return home. The narration should be smooth, connected, and match the flow of the images to create a complete and unified story. Step 2, go to Element Labs. Once you are inside, you will see the option to convert your story into a voice. Paste your story into the designated area. Choose the voice you like, then click Generate to create the audio. Wait for the process to finish, and once the voice is ready, download it to save it on your device. Make sure the story is complete so the audio flows smoothly and naturally. Step 3, go to Whisk to create the images for your video. Take the prompt for the first image, and after placing the prompt, choose the size or format you want, such as YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. In my case, I choose YouTube, so I select that option. Once you have chosen the format you want, click Enter. Wait a short moment while it processes, and you will see that the first image prompt has been successfully generated. Take the second image prompt and copy it. Then go back to Whisk and paste it into the prompt area. After pasting it, press Enter and wait for a moment. Whisk will generate the image for you. Do the same for the rest of the image prompts. Take each prompt one by one, bring it into Whisk, paste it, and generate the image until all prompts are finished. It is not difficult. At this stage, the process is already familiar. Copy, then paste. After that, download all the images, either downloading them one by one as you generate them, or downloading all of them once they are finished. Step 4, go to CapCut. When you go to CapCut, upload all the images. You can upload them all at once or upload them one by one. After that, bring in the audio you created in Element Labs and place it on the timeline. Once everything is uploaded, arrange the images with the audio and remove the scene audio completely. After organizing the images in the voice, add text. Go to the text section and choose auto captions. After selecting it, click Generate, and CapCut will automatically create the text for you. Next, go to Templates and choose the template you want for your text. After that, you can download your video. The video is now ready. Let's watch what we have created. Every morning begins quietly. A young boy wakes up, still tired, but ready to start the day. He gets dressed, looks in the mirror, and prepares himself. It feels like just another ordinary day. With his backpack on his shoulder, he walks outside. The street is calm and peaceful. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with new updates.